scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Geometry problems often look intimidating, but you can solve this specific calculus challenge in under 60 seconds by following these 3 simple steps. Watch this now. First, find the slope of the secant line connecting the points at x equals 0 and x equals 2. This gives us the average rate of change over the interval. Boom! Because the function is concave down, the derivative is strictly decreasing. This means the slope at x equals 1 must be greater than the average slope of the interval. Let's go! Since the function passes through 1, 1 and is concave down, the slope at 1 is less than the slope of the line from 0 to 1, which is 1. Smart move! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Avoid guessing the midpoint, always use concavity, and test the endpoints to find the truth.